As Sri Lanka moves forward in the fast-changing world, the complexity of our challenges is also gradually growing. Our successes or failures at addressing these challenges are not dependent on resources, but how good our strategies to overcome them are. Social innovation labs aim to address these ever-changing social, political, and environmental challenges through a systemic and a sustainable approach. A systemic approach addresses the root of the problem rather than just the symptoms, and a sustainable approach means the solution is designed so that it continues to provide positive impact rather than a one-time fix. The idea for a social innovation lab in Sri Lanka came about in 2016 during the first National Summit on Foresight and Innovation for Sustainable Human Development. The Social Innovation Lab will be a safe setting that would allow people to find creative solutions to development issues. It would provide a conducive environment to look at problems from different perspectives, taking varying approaches to overcoming obstacles and forming sustainable solutions by engaging stakeholders who might be overlooked in the conventional processes. It will be a rapid prototyping facility which will provide tested, citizen-centric and tailored solutions. The lab would be a fully equipped, state-of-the-art facility with a team of investors with the ability to mobilize wherever required. A typical lab cycle will happen over a period of 28 days, where once the lab receives an issue or a problem, the investors will scan the horizon and develop a complete user journey mapping through citizen engagement. The lab will then consult international and local experts related to the issue from its resource pool. Next, a prototype of the solution will be developed, bringing in different perspectives ranging from behavioral psychology, sociology, big data analysis, and digital design. The prototype will then be tested in a small sample group. The team will then come back to the drawing board, assess and incorporate the feedback received, and repeat this process twice more with different sample groups to shape a better solution which will be presented to the relevant implementation body. The solutions proposed through this process will be aligned with national priorities and the latest trends in public opinion. As a result, the government will be able to avoid any costs or negative publicity caused by unsuccessful policies. For more in-depth issues, the lab will run cycles for 4 to 6 months with extensive online and offline consultations. The preparedness and response to natural disasters, effective solid waste management, and improved road traffic management are only a few examples of significant issues that the lab can find solutions to. The lab will be the first of its kind in the region and will draw from experiences of similar labs around the world. The lab will also bring together many initiatives of UNDP Sri Lanka aimed at strengthening the foresight and innovation ecosystem in the country. Introducing Citra, Sri Lanka's first social innovation lab, a joint initiative by the Ministry of Science, Technology and Research and UNDP.